Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you the password, just the password for Android car radio for Fiat 500 specifically. This looks like this. I bought it from Temo and I've been trying. Some of the codes don't work, but the code which worked on this specific radio is easy. Can we go there? Go to settings because I want to do, also I'll make a video because on something is making me, I think, car setting. Then if you go to factory set, it's gonna be 8888, which gonna be 4 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you do that, it opens, right? It's gonna be 8888. So now I was trying 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it couldn't work. I tried 1, 1, 1, 1. Couldn't work. I tried 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. It couldn't work. You understand? So that's the reason why I did even try to see if I can make this video. But this is for Fiat 500. I don't know, maybe other radios. So I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 zeros, and say okay. Boom. So we're in the settings. So now we're gonna do whatever I wanna do, whatever I wanna set. So I'm looking for 360 direction control. I'm looking for 360. If can you see it? So we want to allow the cameras to work here. Test clear app settings, and yeah, maybe app settings here. You can go, you can see. No, not these ones, because these ones, they don't come with the car. There's the one which they say it comes with the car, which we don't have. But now there is navigation settings and all that. Restart to take effect. Okay, you get me. So they showed us some 360 something. You can oh no, there's a P360. I don't know this one. Let me see. Okay, if we give that a chance, can you see that? The Android, how it works? Okay, this one, we're gonna try to use that. And also, no, car 360, sure, we can see this. Also, we can try this. We're gonna try a couple of apps to see if they can be allowed to work. And then Easy Pro, I don't know which app I'm going to use, but I'm going to try to tap on all of them, because they are those which are I thought it has its own, it could have its own 360. Now we're gonna take this. I just downloaded a couple of them. Limit, okay, there's a limit on that. So, but I trust this one. I don't know if it's gonna work. Camera effect, safety guard. Okay, this one is there. Okay, after that we say it's fine. Once it's fine, audio, boot setup, app setting, navigation, app setting, audio, text, audio settings. Okay, that's good. So then when it's fine, then it's fine. So they want us to restart the
run and stuff like that,
the camera. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna
out in the middle. I think we've got a good record to get.
We're gonna have, we're gonna have to switch off the camera. Okay, once we switch it off, we're gonna switch it on back. Okay, after switching it on back, it's fine. Okay, right, that's fine, guys. I think you saw the code. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.